Maximize your productivity and your entertainment experience with Lumonitor, the most versatile widescreen 4K monitor ever made. Lumonitor is much more than a portable monitor. It's an entire office suite, a 4K entertainment system, and a standalone tablet. And all of this comes in the lightest, most razor-thin display you've ever seen. Lumonitor is a perfect companion for designers, coders, gamers, remote workers, streamers, photographers. Lumonitor takes productivity to new levels at the office and on the go. Enhance your workstation instantly and maximize productivity. Or connect Lumonitor to your phone to turn it into a 4K workstation anytime, anywhere. Take notes, design, edit, and publish on Lumonitor's ultra-responsive touchscreen. Switch to vertical mode to code and edit with ease. Lumonitor is universally compatible with all the devices and operating systems that your team use, including Apple, Android, Windows, and Linux. And thanks to its built-in battery, you can unplug, pass, share, and compare with plug-and-play simplicity. Lumonitor requires zero setup and no software, and it responds to any device instantly, making it the most versatile, dependable, and simplest device in the office. Presenting to the boss or your clients in 15-inch 4K is guaranteed to leave an impression. Supremely portable, Lumonitor is as thin and light as a tablet. Thanks to its host of ports, you can leave your adapters, dongles, chargers, and cables behind. Lumonitor will even charge your devices. Connect to your digital media player, and Lumonitor becomes a standalone 4K tablet. Lumonitor's built-in power source lets you connect via HDMI without a computer or power outlet. Lumonitor's powerful battery completely liberates you from wires and bulky devices, and it will ensure your settings are saved when Lumonitor powers down. When it's time to relax, Lumonitor knows how to have fun. Watch your favorite shows from Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, and YouTube in brilliant 4K with no power source needed. Enjoy hi-fi audio with dynamic stereo speakers. And game in 4K glory with one or more Lumonitor screens. You'll wonder why you ever played on that tiny phone screen. Lumonitor's true LED backlighting is twice as bright as other monitors, so you can work or play in any environment. And its anti-glare screen looks great at any angle. Low flicker and low blue light protect your eyes from fatigue, even after long-term use. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and bursting bags. Work hard and play hard with Lumonitor, the widescreen 4K portable monitor.